Bismillah, salatu wassalam ala Rasulillah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome again, our lovely students at my channel AE's Academy. If you looked behind me, you've seen that board before, and this is a form of the Arabic alphabet because some of these letters have another way of writing. It's slightly differs from it, and I'll show it today. Welcome back. If you looked behind me, you will notice that we made some adjustments, some changes to some letters, while others are still as they are. Now, if you looked for al-ba, it has a new shapes, a new forms of writing, and it's the same with many letters. Those adjustments depends on the connection between the letter, depends on the previous letter and the next one, the preceding letter and the following one, as we will illustrate. We will begin with al-ba, and we will skip al-alif, harf al-alif today, because we will make it in an independent video, because it has many particulars. For al-ba, you will find al-ba take this shape or this according to what's before and what's next. And don't pay too much attention to how we connect the letters together, because we will make a table in an independent video later. Now I need you to focus with me on the shape of the letter. Just know the shape of the letter, and after that we will illustrate how to connect between them. Al-ba, for example, you will find it by this way. Now it's at the beginning, it took that shape, and at the end it took that shape. If you find it in the middle, like the word I want to pronounce it. I don't want you to focus on the pronunciation or to how connect them. Just focus on the shape of the letter, how to extract the letter. If we, for example, said where is al-ba in that word, you will refer to that one, and it has that shape in the middle of the word. Okay, if we make al-ba the second letter, like this one. Now, where is al-ba? It is. And another example. Same question, where is al-ba letter, where is harf al-ba, and this is. We will do the same with ta and tha. I'll give you quick examples without stopping, without reading, like that. This is the beginning. This is at the beginning also, and this is at the end. What we did with الباء, we will do it with التاء and الثاء. حرف الثاء, the letter of ثاء, حرف الثاء, الثاء. Okay. Let's read those letters. ألف, باء, تاء, ثاء. Now جيم, جيم, حاء, حاء, خاء, خاء, دال, دال, ذال, ذال, راء, راء, زاي. Let's take some examples of حرف الجيم. At the beginning, at the middle, at the end, at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. The same way with الحاء and الخاء. If we looked at those four letters, when they connected with what was the previous one, their shape won't change. Like, for example, this word means gold. Now look at الذال when it's connected. It's the same. Its shape didn't change. And those letters, you won't find them connecting with the next one, even if they were in the middle of the word like that, connected with what's previous, but it won't connect with the next. Let's continue. The letter of سين, the letter of سين, that would be its shape. Okay, let's take an example. At the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Now you notice the difference here, here, and here. Shin is the same. Those two letters, Sad and Dad, also the same. Like, this is Sad, like that. Like that. Here and here. Now let's continue with Ta. Ta and Za. Also, the shape won't change. They would stay the same. For Ain and Ghain, the two have a little bit it changes. Like that at the end, and in the middle. And the middle, it may take two changes, two shapes, like that. Now look at al-ayn. We can write the same word but with some difference with al-ayn, like that. Can be written by this way. It may be written by this way. Let's continue with the other letters, but today we will stop here. I think the video would be too long, so I'll split it and continue at the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.